Okay, class, how you doing today? Today we're going to discuss the isosceles triangle. And with the isosceles triangle, first we need to know that the isosceles triangle has two sides that are equal, and that is denoted by these two symbols that tell you that those two measurements, those two line segments, have the same measurement. And this capital M right here denotes the midpoint of this isosceles triangle.
Okay, so I'd switch
Here on the inside of this isosceles triangle, we notice that with an isosceles triangle,
I don't want this one.
this angle and this angle will have the same measurements. Just some basic concepts about the isosceles triangle, and we will go from here in the next segment.